What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to another episode of Jordo FPV. If you're new to the channel, congrats. You found some kid who's trying to learn FPV. Thank you for the support. If you remember in the last episode, I had the camera lens angled pretty far down towards the ground. I couldn't get any momentum to really put this thing to the test. So today we've got a nice open field. I don't even know where I am. I had to scout a few spots out this morning. A college campus that I was gonna go fly at, huge campus, would have been perfect, but they were closed and security kicked me out. So I just quickly hopped on Google Maps and found the nearest open field. Luckily there's like no one here and it should be pretty safe to do some speed tests. Stay tuned, let's get into it, guys. We got the Wander pack, absolute essential, fully waterproof, super ergonomic. I don't know why I always go Australian, it's just my default. I'm using, of course, just the go-to DJI's V2 goggle and DJI's V2 remote. So this is the battery I'm using. It is a 1550 mega amps. I think that's what that is. MAH 14.8 volt. And then I would always recommend keep it in a LiPo guard, fire safe bag, because these things can randomly burst into flames. It's great, it's super great. All right, let's do the damn thing. All right, guys. So yeah, I realized in my editing process that I didn't record myself while I was flying. So here I am in post, re-recording or narrating what I was flying around. So like right here you can see like the wind's coming straight at me right now, and when I turn like that to the left or right, the wind really takes me, and to feel that was super cool because you don't really feel that in the simulator. You can definitely crash easier with the wind. Like right now I'm being blown into those poles at a way faster speed, so I would have to take that into account, but it is pretty cool to be able to feel the wind. You know, you'll definitely be able to use it to your advantage as well. Yeah, I definitely got a little riskier in this one. Felt good though to finally get up and like do some actual maneuvers. Like right here, I think I did this dive right here. Oh yeah, this is it. Or maybe it's the other one. But yeah, I was pretty stoked on that one. I love doing those. I want to find like something really, really high to go do like a dive down. Yeah, this session was super fun. Still figuring out the camera angle, but we're getting there. It's closer. think I want to go back to some of these spots and just fly the same kind of route, but now that I know it, because like so far I've flown at only spots that are new to me, so I always have that like rookie feel everywhere I go. I kind of want to experience like something that I've done before again and see how much better I can get it. But yeah, I was pretty happy here. Starting to feel that a little bit, but obviously needs to be pointed up a little bit more, maybe a lot more. And then I was super stoked on landing this time, really smooth. Not a lot to it, but gave me a little bit more confidence for landing in tighter spots. You know, obviously I'm not going to have a big open field everywhere I fly, but ideally as open as possible. And there we have it. So when I first got here, I didn't know the blades were spinning, and I just tested the throttle and pulled it down real quick, and it literally sent the drone up and then came back down. It like smacked the concrete. Like I might need to take a look at it, which sucks, but it is what it is. That's part of flying it. I've also been watching other people send it, and like they crash theirs all the time into like trees and stuff, and they're like still flying. So who knows, maybe I need to change the props and tighten some bolts. Maybe that'll fix it, I don't know. But yeah, this was the field I was just in. I like this one. It's really open and there's not a lot of traffic back in the cut where I was. Got a couple ants on her. Yeah, she's okay. She took a slap, that's for sure. I think I still need to adjust this lens, because honestly it feels like the faster you go, the more control you have, as crazy as that sounds. So I think I need to make that lens, like when I'm taking off, I need to just barely be able to see the ground. But yeah. The infamous Jordo gate hop. Thank you guys for watching another episode. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for the support. If you like this kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be doing pretty much weekly uploads like this. I think next episode we'll work on perfecting the camera angle, and we'll work on flying with the GoPro 7, something that I haven't done yet. I'm not sure if in simulator they take the weight of a GoPro into account on your drone. I'm not sure. It feels somewhat different, so I don't know. Maybe my drone was built and tested with the intention of having that extra weight up front. I don't know if that'll add to my ability to fly faster or what, but there's only one way to find out. Stay tuned for episode 3. Later, my dudes and my dudettes.